Now, I got something that I'm going to get for
Weston,
Ella. I should have picked it up yesterday.
what is it? What is it?
And it has to do with phonics.
You got it.
Yes, DVD and phonics.
What are you doing? You got Weston.
That's
You got your tractor?
really good.
My big one.
Your big one? What are you gonna do?
If you videotape that way, it videotapes sideways. I learned that the hard way. You gotta flip it around the normal
The other way.
Well,
So what are you gonna do? You going out to get some hay?
What are you doing with your tractor? You're gonna go get hay? Alright, how about some wood? You
You're
gonna
gonna-
go get wood? Yeah?
You're gonna feed the cows?
Yeah?
Yeah. All right. Well, get going.
You gonna fix your tractor? Is that why you got your tool belt?
yeah.
All right. Well, get on your tractor and get going.
Alright, nothing runs like a deer.
Yep.